Hello guys, how are you? And hope you are doing well. Today we are gonna start with a new day. So the new matches are gonna be greater and low risk and high percentage and with the highest chance of winning. Yesterday I uploaded a video but unfortunately didn't show to all of you. So we will start again. So game week 1. Brentford versus Crystal Palace. This match is gonna be a hard match, so don't play on a team, but we will bet on goals. It's over 2 goals, which means they are gonna score 2 goals or even more. This match is gonna be like this. Manchester City will win the game, okay? It's 1.82. We'll add it to BetSlip. Italy Serie A. Bologna 1909 versus Udinese Calcio. Bologna will score at least 1 goal. Like this, total 1. It's 1.48. The fourth match, Napoli versus Hellas Verona. Napoli will win the match. The match will be hard, but they will go through it. And now to the Spanish La Liga, or we will play one match in Russia. Spartak Moscow versus Vakel Voronezh. Spartak Moscow will win, and we will move again to the Spanish league. Real Sociedad versus Rayo Vallecano. It's gonna be like this. Real Sociedad will score at least 1 goal. Okay? And the other match is Real Madrid versus Mallorca. Real Madrid will score over 1.5 goals. Like this. And the seventh match is like this. So 19.156 odds. So if we place with $100, you will get $1,915.66. Keep that in mind. Like this. This is the ticket. Or you can play 3 matches in a different ticket. Take care of yourselves and see you later. Thank you.